How to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are many ways to do this. One is that you can simply back up your current chats by tapping the three dots option, going to settings, going to chats, and making sure that you back up all of your chats. And once you back up your chats on your another phone, you simply want to restore them. Otherwise, what you can also do is, if you are using a normal account here, you should be able to find the option to transfer the chat history. So you can go to chat. Now in my case this is a linked device, but if it wasn't a linked device in your case, when you go to the chats option, you'll find the option to transfer all of the chats. You want to make sure to select that option and your chat will get successfully transferred from one phone to another. This way you can transfer chats from WhatsApp of one phone to another. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.